Welcome back to Nature London. I'm Kathleen Holland. So last night I had an incredible opportunity to join a Nature London hike leader, Cathy, to go out on a birding hike. Turns out this hike took place after dusk, and instead of seeing the incredible display behavior of a woodcock, the whole group got to stand still in a field right after it finished raining and witnessed a coyote. This coyote, as I came to realize, was a nursing female that stood and watched us out of curiosity. I'd like to show you that footage and show what may happen when you're out on a nature hike with Nature London.